山からおはよう Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this episode we are going to put on the ceiling all the white sheet and then we will put the insulation for sound, so the black sponge. And well, without further ado, let's do it. It took a while, but it's finally finished. I'm kind of happy, honestly, for the results. And I know that it seems patchy here and there, but what we are going to do is actually cover with this foam that is done on purpose to absorb the sound. A few of them I need to count exactly to understand which pattern we want to have, but we usually have the common classic pyramid shape as well as this one that is a little bit more flat. So let's put that. Unfortunately, the first type of sponge that I bought, I used the double tape that I use in the bathroom for the panels, but it's falling down. While the other one that I stick on the diagonal surface of the ceiling is actually working really well. The brand is Temu, and they came with the stickers that seems to work really well, so I'm happy with that results. In the meanwhile, I'll try to find out how to solve the main ceiling. Yeah, they fall down. The main ceiling one, I will simply finish the diagonal and then I can start work on the TV stand. Well, that's all for me for today. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the final results and see you in the next one. Bye!